Hello and welcome to this short video on how to highlight and annotate books within the BibliU system. The ability to make personal customizations is one of the benefits of a platform like BibliU. Highlighting and annotations which you make are linked to your BibliU account, meaning they will still display if you log in using a different device. To highlight text, firstly select the text you wish to highlight. This box of options will then pop up. When highlighting, you have 4 colour options which you can make use of. You may wish to develop your own colour coding system, for instance different colours reflecting on different themes or forthcoming assignments. Below the colour highlighting options, there are further icons. To annotate the book by leaving a comment, please select the speech box icon. In order to leave a comment, a section of text must first be highlighted. To view the comment you have left, you then select the highlighted section and you will have the ability to open the comment you have made previously. As you can see, the speech box icon appears slightly differently, with text lines within the speech box to indicate that a comment has been left. To delete a comment, simply open the comment box up and then select the bin icon in the right-hand side of the window. Next to the speech box is the option to have the highlighted text read aloud to you. Next to this is the option to copy the highlighted text for it to be transferred into another program. Do be aware that due to copyright restrictions, there is typically a limit as to how much text can be copied in this way from an individual ebook. BibliU will indicate how close to the copying limit you are for the particular book you are using. If you should wish to download an ebook from BibliU for offline reading, please be advised that you will need to access BibliU through one of its apps rather than through a web browser. This is due to digital rights management (DRM) restrictions. BibliU offer native applications through Google Play and the Apple Store, as well as a desktop version. For a quick video tutorial put together by BibliU on how you can download ebooks for offline access, please visit this webpage. Thank you for your time. If you should have any questions, please contact us at flyingstart@coventry.ac.uk.